You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Want a quick, healthy meal in 5 minutes? Let's make it happen. Start by grabbing a can of chickpeas. These little guys are protein powerhouses. Rinse them, drain them, and toss them in a bowl. Got some veggies lying around? Perfect. Dice up a cucumber, a tomato, and whatever else you got. Who doesn't love a good fridge clean out? Next, sprinkle in some fresh herbs, cilantro, parsley, basil, you name it. Now for the zing, squeeze in some lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all up like you're starring in your own cooking show. Voila! You've got yourself a super tasty chickpea salad. And guess what? This beauty is only around 250 calories per serving. Healthy, quick, and delicious. What more could you ask for? Now go on and dig in. Your taste buds will thank you.